Hey everybody, it's Mark Paddleson, and I wanted to tell you about my daily routine I've been doing for years and years and years, and it's called my 7 Summit Smoothie. After I get done with my workouts, this is what I do, and I want to take you through it. Super nutritious, super yummy, and at the end of the day, it helps bulk you up while keeping your weight down and building more muscle. I start off by having some, this is half almond milk, vanilla flavored, and water. And so I dump that into my smoothie. The next thing I do is I slice up 1 banana. Then I put in a tablespoon of almond butter. You can do peanut butter too if you like. The next thing I do is I scoop out a couple scoops of flaxseed, which I love to do. And then I get into the things that start to really build the health. The cacao, you can be any kind of brand. This is Laird Superfood, but you should be able to get these types of brands inside your supermarket, your natural foods, type place, your Whole Foods. Then I scoop some turmeric, I throw it in. Then I get into my powders, my maca, and my greens, and so that gets things going. Something that I know is becoming really popular right now is collagen, and Q Sciences makes a great collagen, which I like to pour in, and it helps, with your complexion and everything like that. Then I start to get towards the end of this, and something I've really grown attached to is the Q Sciences Complete Protein Powder. It's plant-based, love it. That goes in, each one is flavored. There's vanilla, there's chocolate, there's coconut. So the blend of these different things, open it up, dump it in. And then of course, you've got to put your fruit in there. So you've already put your banana, and now you can get any kind of fruit, and we blend. So once we're done blending, and this normally takes, a minute to do, and making sure there's enough fluid in there, and if you need to add more milk, either almond milk or water, do that. And then at the end of all this, I want to cap off my nutrition, and I do that by taking my core vitamins, okay? This is going to round you out for the day. There's a morning and there's a night one, and I take the morning one, and it gets me going for the day, and that's a great way to fill me up while keeping my calories down and gunning me out. So that's it, my 7 Summit Smoothie. Thanks.